Hey guys, how's it going? I'm at Family Dollar. Look at this. Looks like I caught a fresh restock. Looks nice and full. Tacoma right on top. Chevy wagon. This one looks nice. I'll take that one too. Another Tacoma. We'll leave that one behind. 62 Corvette. I think it looks really nice, but won't be taking it today. Sit back there. Ooh, Mighty K. I think these are still 2023 cars. But still some good castings in here. The Land Rover Defender. Flatbed. It's kind of hard to see when it's completely stocked, but it's also really nice to see it stocked now. Been hitting up some Walmarts, completely empty. Here's a Porsche. Ooh. No. No flame. It's all good. Start getting into these cases up here. Let's check this one. How am I gonna do this? Look at that. I don't know. Hellcat. Take that. Oh, there's collectors out there that collect the Hellcats, but I don't, so I'll leave it behind. Roadster. Look at that Bronco. It's a nice looking Bronco. Another Tacoma. Nice white. Like I saw last time in blue, carbonated. Alright, nothing in that one. Let's move on to the next one. Car. See Barbie, the Barbie. What's this? Ooh, Tesla Roadster. I think I already have a few of these, so I'm not trying to pull too many multiples here. Mercedes. On to the next. Some Barbie stuff right there. Yes, these are so high up. Alright, here we go. Carbonator. Oops. There's a lot of Tacomas in this one. Might be the first one to these. Mighty K. I know that one was a Super in 2023. I wonder if all Family Dollars are getting these. I have to drive around. Might have to go into the LA area. Tacoma. Another one. Dang, there we go, there we go. Super Porsche. Yeah. It's gonna be my second supercharger in 2024, but it's a 2023 Super. Still taking it. Didn't find that one. Mighty K. Oh yeah, so this is a fresh restock. Alright, let's go on to the next one. This is a Challenger SRT Demon. A Demon and a Hellcat here today. I'll leave them. This one. Honda CRX, I think. My friend asked me for one of those. I think he wanted it in red, but blue will have to do. 2 more Tacomas in here. Another Tesla Roadster. Ooh, another Porsche. Check that out. 2 supers, 1 stop. I think this is a first for me. Look at that. Dang. 2 supers, 1 stop, man. Ducati. In yellow. Look at this one. H2 go. That's cool. It's a interesting looking one. But alright, that's the last one. Alright. The Batmobile. And I don't know why I used to buy a lot of Batmobiles, but not anymore. Another Mercedes. See what I expected. Check out the Lamborghini. I gotta take this Lamborghini. Another Demon. This is a treasure hunt. Yep, here's a treasure hunt, regular treasure hunt. Nice. It's my second one of those. I think I found one that was free for less. But I believe that's all of the cases. And here we go. I think it's a nice little find. We got the regular treasure hunt, the Lamborghini, Tacoma, CRX, and 2 super treasure hunts. It's a first for me, so. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like, leave a comment, turn notifications on for future videos.